Here we are at Daytona. This is the fitness building. We're going out that way with it. First fitting is going to be a 4x2 combo. We're going to catch a lavatory, a ladies' bathroom. Coming in with a 4-inch combo, heading down the trunk line there. Going out with a 4-inch clean out outside. 2-inch water main coming in, holding pressure. Both pipes are sleeved. First fitting we're catching is a hub drain. We got a vent, a floor drain going over there. A double Y, catching a floor drain. Then going over and catching a 2-inch hub drain. Another vent, 4-inch Y. Catching a stacked 2 toilets. Here we got a 4x3 combo, 3x2 watt combo on its back. Got a mop sink. Have a 3-inch double Y. Catching the floor drain in the men's bathroom. Catching the floor drain where the mechanical room is. We're continuing out with 3-inch to catch a 3-inch yard clean out. Got a 3x2 going up underneath the toilet to catch the drinking fountain at the end of the wall there.